You're making funny noise. Oh, they're skin. They're skin.
To the peanuts.
Where are they?
They must be in the barn.
Hello.
Came to the
Lewis, darling.
Careful, look at that. Yeah.
Wolf right there, wooden way, and then wolf there, and a pig.
Yeah, I've not seen anything like that before. But he's put one too. Oh, she put one too. It looks like a normal duck with a really long beak. You put the camera, right up so you can't see it.
It looks like made of plastic.
Yeah, doesn't it really?
Little house. Wallaby. Yeah, just calming my heartbeat there. There's one there as well.
They are sleeping. Yes. A capybara lying there.
Oh wow, like more than just appear, the more you look.
Really? Never seen any. Yeah?
The one, the second one along on the left. He was like, he went like that with his foot.
I think they are thinking that I'm giving them a fruit. I'm giving them
He
fruit.
probably thinks that the thing
Where's the photo? They are having a siesta.
Hollow. So it's a bit like one of those winter coats that's got pads of air around it. Air's a really good insulator. As they walk, every hair fills with air and it keeps them nice and warm. And then when they don't eat, so they defended themselves from the cold. There's other things that threaten them in the Arctic too. Any ideas what would like to eat a reindeer? What sort of predators might they have? The main predator of the reindeer. Now, Arctic wolves are very sneaky because they have white fur, which means they blend in really well with their environment. What's that called? What's it called when an animal blends in with its environment? Camouflage. Fantastic. This wolf is really camouflaged into its snowy background. But reindeer have one of those adaptations, one of those special survival features, in this case essentially a superpower that allows them to spot wolves coming. They can see in ultraviolet light. Now no other mammal can do this, it's almost like having heat vision, but they can switch on their second vision, and to them, Arctic wolves look like this. They're kind of dark, lumbering monsters coming towards them, and with eyes on the side of their head, if they're paying attention, they can always see that wolf coming. So it's an incredibly cool adaptation. It's really important to keep them nice and safe. But let's say they're not paying attention, they do have a backup. What's this called? Knocked mine off again. Antlers, these are antlers. Now the difference between antlers and horns is very simple. Don't chew my antlers. The difference between them is very simple. Horns grow